Hello, my name is Serena. Some of you know me because I often belly dance at No Shame. Also, I am a school teacher and I'm going to perform one of many annoying noises that my students make.